What's up, you guys? It's your girl Aunt Samantha, and in today's video, your girl is tired. Okay, tired. But today is my grandmother's birthday, and although we won't be able to see her and touch her and celebrate with her, we as a family are still wanting to celebrate her life because she is the matriarch and queen of our entire family. So I'm just making this video and so you guys can follow me along to help celebrate her birthday with her. Also, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do so right now and hit that notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started on this video. Okay, so I'm just starting on my eyebrows. I am just gonna do a super simple beat because we don't got time to be doing the most today. I'm literally just gonna do like a really soft glam. I don't even think I'm gonna do any glam actually. It's just gonna be a no makeup sort of makeup look. Honestly, like I was pretty sad that I wasn't able to spend my grandmother's birthday with her. But I mean, things could be worse. A lot of people have lost their grandmothers already. And then on top of that, like many people are losing loved ones due to COVID-19. So I'm just blessed to still be able to have her here with us. And whenever this is done, hopefully we will be able to just celebrate her birthday in her style. If you guys know my grandmother, she like is a party queen. She lives for a good party. So I'm sure she's also a little bummed out that she can't see her chickadees, as she calls us. But you know what? It's, as I said, it's all good. We will get out of this, and we just don't know when. But when that time happens, we will definitely be celebrating together with some good food, hopefully some curry chicken and all that kind of good stuff. Up next, I'm using my NYX brow gel. To carve out my brows, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD concealer in the color 52. I'm just gonna put a little bit, showing you guys some boobies. So I'm just using my Morphe 224 brush to carve underneath my brows. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more concealer to my lids, and then I'm just gonna blend that all out. So I did go ahead and blend most of this concealer out with my sponge, but I'm gonna go back in with my Real Techniques fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna buff out these edges. I'm using the same brush and just a little bit of the same concealer, and I'm just carving out the top of my brows. That's what my brows are looking like. So next I'm just using my favorite concealer right now, and this is the Fenty Hydrating Primer, and rubbing that in. I love this primer. It feels like it literally feels like lotion to me, and it doesn't have like that silicone-y feel to it, which I really like. And then I'm going to be adding my NYX Honey Do Me Up because I want like a glowy look today. And I probably put a little bit too much, but I'm gonna try and work that in. Okay, so this primer does get a little tacky. I'm just gonna wait a little bit to apply my foundation and just let it dry down. So I'm gonna use my Fenty foundation in this color 430 all over, and then I'm just using my Morphe 439 brush, and I'm just gonna pat that in my skin. I just realized I forgot to prime my eyes and they're already creasing. And I'm just gonna go back in with some foundation around the areas that I conceal with the orange concealer, and just go in with a beauty sponge and blend, blend, blend. So I'm gonna try and fix the creasing in my eyes, so I'm going back in with the same concealer. I don't understand, honestly. All of my skin is super dry, and then my eyelids just come up and be like, but we oily though. Like, why do you guys need to be so oily? I don't understand. I'm gonna take my Fenty setting powder in the color Honey. So I'm just gonna pat my beauty sponge into the powder, and then I'm just gonna set my eyes. Okay, so that is that. Next up, I am gonna go in with some concealer. So I'm gonna be using the same concealer that I used for my brows, because again, I'm not looking for a super dramatic look today. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in the color 12, and I'm just gonna put a few tiny drops underneath my eyes just to brighten them up. I'm dipping back into my Fenty powder, and I'm just setting all the areas that I just recently highlighted. I'm just gonna take this brush and just fluff away all that powder that I just put on. So next, I'm just gonna spray my face, just so everything is nice and blended. I go back in with my foundation brush and I just press everything in. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go in and just bronzer, I guess, because I am not gonna do any sort of harsh contouring. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker in the color Coconutty, and I'm just gonna mix that also with Mocha Mami. I love these bronzers, you guys. But first, I'm just gonna go ahead and do a nice natural contoured look. I mean bronzered look. As I said, it's just really natural. So next, I'm just going in with Mocha Mami. This honestly gives me such a, like, look at that. Okay, this gives me such a nice sun-kissed glow. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose with the same bronzer, and I'm gonna use my Morphe 321 brush, and it looks like this. And I'm just gonna contour that. And then I'm just going back in with this Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna blend that out. So I am gonna do a tiny bit of blush. I'm gonna use my all-time favorite blush palette, which is the Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm gonna use a Juvia's Place brush as well, and this is their tapered blush brush. So I'm gonna go ahead in with Neo, and I'm just gonna lightly, like ever so lightly, add a little bit of color onto my cheeks. As you can see, it's just very, very, very light. And we are going to highlight. For highlight, I think I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place loose highlighter. There's already some in the cap, so I'm just gonna dip my Morphe 451 brush, tap off the excess. Really subdued, natural, glowy skin look. And I don't want anything like too makeup-y, because I do want it to be like a no makeup kind of makeup look. So I'm gonna put some on my nose, on my cupid's bow, a bit on my forehead, and my chin. So I'm just dipping my brush back into that highlighter, and I'm just doing an inner corner highlight. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. So I'm using my Morphe setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. Oh. I literally tasted that. Oh my goodness. And then I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and just like buff out this highlight so that it's a little bit more natural looking, like so. This skin is everything right now, you guys. I'm lining my lips with my chestnut liner. So I'm just using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and that's in the color London. Then I'm going in with my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and I think this is called Fenty Glow, yeah. I'm almost out of this and I'm super sad. I'm just gonna put that on top. So this is what my skin is looking like. It is nice and glowy. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I will come back to you guys when it's time to do my hair. Okay, so I just put on this really like basic crop top from Zara and some jeans from, where did I get these? Dynamite. Next, I'm just gonna take off my bonnet. Okay, so I'm putting a little bit of coconut oil in my hands. Actually, that was a lot. But I'm just gonna start taking down these bands. So that's what that is looking like. I have my spray bottle. And I'm not drenching my hair, but I'm just lightly spritzing it with water so that can kind of refresh these curls a little bit. And I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. I feel like I need to refresh a little bit on the top here, so after I do this side, I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of gel just to refresh my hair a little bit. Same steps again. Taking some coconut oil and just lightly doing some praying hands method. And then I'm just gonna separate. Okay, so this little piece needs some love and attention. So I'm just gonna spray this down. And I'm gonna try and reactivate the product. If not, yeah, no, that's not it for me. I did use Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink flaxseed gel, but for some reason I can't find it. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of Eco Styler gel to just bring these back to life. Lightly picking my hair out, nothing too crazy. This side of my hair is honestly really annoying. Like, I don't know why, but it's just shrinking in like the weirdest spots. and I'm not here for that. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of Eco Styler gel just right up here because I'm not here for this puffiness that's happening. So this is the final look, you guys. It's a very simple look. This is a stretched wash and go. It's actually an old wash and go. This is, I think, day 3 or day 4 hair using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. And I just created this really simple, no makeup look. It's like some nice glowy skin. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed getting ready with me. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and do some signs for my grandmother because I'm gonna just put that out of her window so she can see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know, comment down below and let me know if you're liking my new setup. I will have like a video showing you guys how I created this whole little setup. I have a very, very, very small space, but I wanted to maximize my space and just create something that was me and something that I love. So this is my little space that I've created so far. There are going to be some more things coming. I'm rambling as usual, but I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!